Here are 7 law of attraction alignment points that will help you attract whatever you desire easily, simply, and fast. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So I started thinking about alignment, how important alignment is to manifest the love that you absolutely crave, the money you desire, the health that you depend upon. Alignment is essential for manifesting abundance, prosperity, and wealth. So you take your car in to get it aligned. What happens when your car is not aligned? When your car is not in alignment, it goes running down the highway, something like this. It's not very good. It's bumpy. It's jumpy. And it's the same thing with the law of attraction. When you're not in alignment with certain principles, then you're going to have a more difficult time attracting what you truly desire. Chiropractors put you up against this string or a certain kind of instrument. And what are they looking for? They're looking for the alignment in your vertebrae. It's the same thing, your spine. They're looking for alignment. So almost anything that is going to function well and function easily is going to require alignment. This little tool here is a crystal. It's used to align energy in a person's energy field. And so alignment takes place in every area of life. But the most important place is in the law of attraction, because when you begin to align, everything begins to happen. Good things just, here it is. Listen to me. The universe is standing there with its hands out, saying, here is the money that you desire. The universe is standing with its hands out, saying, here's the love that you crave or the health you depend upon. But you need to be in alignment in order to receive. This is going to put you in alignment. Number 1 is beliefs. Now, a lot of people put thoughts as number 1, but thoughts are not number 1 because thoughts come from our beliefs. So we need to look at what we believe. Do we believe we're too old, too young, not smart enough? Do we believe that it takes money to make money? Do we believe she will never love me again, or he will never come back to me? Do we believe those negative beliefs, or as I like to call them, limiting beliefs? If we do, we are out of alignment with the universe, the infinite field of potential, and the law of attraction. Because there is no limit. There is no boundary to the universe. So any limiting belief will hold you back and put you out of alignment. You'll go running down the road kind of bumpy like. So the first point in our alignment is beliefs, beliefs, beliefs. What do you believe? Look at your belief is as good as anyone else's. And when you have optimistic, resourceful, unlimited beliefs, guess what? Next is thoughts. We hear this all the time. Thoughts are things, but thoughts are vibration. Thoughts are energy. Thoughts have power. The thoughts you think change your reality. Now, let's be honest about it. A lot of law of attraction gurus won't share this with you. I will. It's impossible not to have a negative thought. Your brain was constructed that way. If you only believed in a positive manner, you'd walk off a cliff thinking, well, why not? But your brain has safeguards. But those safeguards aren't always relevant. They're relevant. That fear is relevant when you're running from a tiger, but it's not relevant when you're sitting at your desk running your business or when you're dealing with your relationship or your family. Most of the time, it's not relevant at all. So it's an unwarranted fear. Your thoughts have power. And those thoughts either empower your life and change your direction, or they hinder your life. So when you have negative thoughts that are irrelevant, okay? I'm not talking about you're running through the jungle being chased by a tiger. I'm not talking about those thoughts. Those are real. That's real. That's legitimate. What I'm talking about is the thoughts that you have that are not legitimate. Those limiting belief thoughts. Those I can't do it thoughts. Those it will never happen thoughts. Those what if the law of attraction isn't real thoughts. And I know some of you have those thoughts. You're hoping the law of attraction is real. You have to accept that it's real. Believe that it's real, and then it's easy to move forward. Okay? But when you have limiting, doubtful, fearful beliefs, it's very difficult to be in alignment with the infinite field of potential, which it just wants to give you what you desire. That's all the universe wants to do. Give you what you desire. Are you ready to get into alignment? Number 3 is emotions. So people will tell me, they'll say, well, Robert, I have all these positive thoughts. And then I will ask them, what are the emotions that are attached to those thoughts? Well, I don't have any emotions. You see, emotions, they're like the gasoline. Think of the thought as the car. Emotion is the gasoline in the tank. The car is going nowhere without gasoline. You are going nowhere without positive, optimistic, energetic, passionate emotions about your dreams, about your goals, about your desires. And how do you do that? One way is to visualize, but it's not just seeing. Understand that. It's applying as many senses as you can. I have clients all the time, they'll say, Robert, I just don't visualize well. I can't see well. I don't see it in my mind's eye. Well, maybe you're not a visual person. Maybe you feel it. You're kinesthetic. I'm kinesthetic. When I walk through a store, I'm feeling everything, the fabrics. If something doesn't feel right, I don't care what it looks like. It has to feel right to me. Other people are auditory. About 15% of our population, they connect with reality through sound. So for one person, a vision board is tremendous. It's an absolute game changer. For another person, some positive, uplifting music. That's the key. That's the secret to getting them amped up, juiced up, fired up, and manifesting. The 4th one on our alignment list is you must affirm it every day. Every day. I am. I am powerful. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am loved. I am loving. You are affirming over and over. And when you affirm, of course, you apply those emotions. Some people crank the music. I'm one of those people. I crank the music up and I begin affirming and affirming and affirming. I do my affirmations in the shower because I like the feel of that clean water coming down on my body. But other people could sit in front of a picture or in front of a movie. And yet there's a small group of people that are going to be mostly motivated by scent, by smelling. Certain scents will awaken up and enliven their ability to get into alignment and attract what they desire. So number 5 is speak it. We did a video on this a few days ago. You must speak it aloud. And sometimes it's important that everybody hear it. And other times, not so. If it's something that you're working on that's very private, you speak it aloud, but you make sure nobody can hear it. If it's something that you're creating and you've already cemented it, that's the key word. You've cemented it, then you can share it. You've signed a contract. Now you talk to everybody. We're creating a movie. We're creating an audio program. We're doing this. We're doing that. We're traveling here. You see, affirm. Speak. Those two, they go hand in hand. Number 6, take inspired action. There is no attraction without action. That's just a premise of science. You must have some action in order to have attraction. That doesn't mean that you are doing the action of the universe. The universe is there giving to you. And you don't have to do any action for that, except one. Receive. You have to be willing and open to receiving. So taking inspired action is absolutely essential. And it works again with number 7, which is allowing. Allowing the universe to just bring it to you. You know, there's so many people, they start doing the law of attraction. I'm trying the law of attraction. Trying is a negative word. Nope. I'm going to try the law of attraction. I tried the law of attraction. It didn't work. Just allow it to happen. Stop trying. Stop waiting. Stop looking at your watch and going, it hasn't worked yet. It hasn't worked yet. Nope. I haven't gotten that job yet. The law of attraction works best when you put yourself in alignment with the universe. Take a deep breath and just allow it to happen and soar like a big, beautiful eagle. I'll remind you again, the universe is offering you anything you desire. Put yourself in alignment and expect a miracle. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it.